Welcome back, and congratulations, because you finished the unit Manners. In this unit, you learned all about the manners and cultural traditions of people in different countries all over the world. In the vocabulary lesson, you learned that it's very common for people to shake hands when they first meet someone in the UK or in the US. You also learned that it's very common to offer someone a cup of tea if they come to your house in China. You also learned about nationalities, which are words that we use to describe where people come from. You learned how to say that your friend from Spain is Spanish, or that your friend from Canada is Canadian, or that your friend from South Korea is South Korean. In this unit's story, you learned a lot more details about manners that people have in different countries. You learned a lot more about different cultural traditions related to the clothes people wear, what happens when people meet each other, and what happens when you visit someone's house. Your grammar lesson was all about modal verbs. You learned about different modal verbs and how we can use them to talk about people's manners and traditions. Now you can tell someone who is going to visit China or Japan that they must take off their shoes when they enter someone's house, and that you mustn't give the OK signal with your fingers when you visit Brazil. Remember, you should do the best you can to respect other people's cultures and traditions. If you don't do this, the people that you are visiting might or may or could think that you're a little bit rude. In your first listening lesson, you learned all about the meanings of different colored clothes in different countries. And you also learned to be a better reading detective because you learned how to tell the difference between facts and opinions. In the writing lessons of this unit, you had to write 2 different emails. One of them was all about how and why we celebrate July 4th in the USA. You might remember that July 4th is kind of like the USA's birthday. For the 4th of July in the USA, we go to barbecues, we watch fireworks shows, and we wear clothes with the colors of the American flag. Then you wrote an email to your friend Sammy to help him and to give him advice about what to do when he goes to a 4th of July barbecue at his neighbor's house. In your second listening lesson, you learned about some manners related to food in different countries. Finally, in the phonics lesson, you went on a pronunciation journey and you reviewed all of the sounds that you have learned in English class this year. Now you're ready to do the review quiz and show what you know. Good luck, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.